This is an $800 bike that I bought. This one's a 05. This one's a 04. But they're the same model, so everything should still be the same. I bought this one not running. It needed a battery, and the fuel pump wasn't priming. I got that fixed. I hot wired it just like I did with that one over there, and now it works. The only thing now that I need to change is, as you can see, the radiator is all crashed, so obviously there's no coolant in here. Everything came out. It turns on. I can't leave it on for too long though, but it turns on. I'm gonna turn it on just so you guys can see. Fuel pump. The battery was it's loose, so I'm gonna swap that battery that's there. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put the screws right. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna be swapping parts here and there, and then I'm gonna have a complete bike. Obviously this one was crashed. You can see it even in the stator cover. So for now, the only thing I need to do is the radiator, and I'm not sure if something in the suspension is messed up. Either the brakes feel really squishy, so I'm not really sure. I'm gonna swap the tanks out. I'm gonna do a couple things. You guys will see.
Ooh, when the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know. But why I do these things.
All right, we managed to swap out the radiator already. All the hoses, we used the hose from the other bike because this hose was all bent up. We got both sides on there. Everything good. The only thing we're doing now is putting the fuel pump into the tank. So the way we were trying to do it was like this. We were literally just holding this and then trying to put the tank like through it. So that shit really wasn't working. So we had to take off the fuel pump, and we got it installed first try like this. So that's where we're at right now. We're gonna put the tank on, and then fill the bike up with some distilled water, clean the coolant and whatnot. As you can tell, I got my new handlebars, the Vortex handlebars on with the Supreme grips. This one really did give me trouble. As you can see, I have like literally that much that I just can't do. I had WD-40 in it on this and inside of the grip, and I was just all the way in. That's what I'm missing. This is kind of, the brake reservoir thing is kind of hard to get clearance. I got it as best as I could though. That little gap is gonna bother me. I'm probably gonna end up fixing that eventually. And I don't know if it's just me, but when I put the wheel straight, the top triple tree kind of looks bent to me. Unless I just didn't put something on straight, like the handlebars. It's definitely this. Okay, I see it now. It's definitely this handlebar. I gotta lower it a little bit. But other than that, I got this new gas cap on, but these Allen screws are so small. I don't have any Allen key that's that small, so I had to drill a hole into the bar so that a little nut that this thing had would fit. But other than that, I'm pretty good. I want to change like this cage, put it on that one. Obviously I still have water in the radiator, so I need to take that out and get coolant in it, burp it and whatnot, make sure there's no air in it. All right, so I got all the coolant, the engine ice. I had to use 2 of those things. I've been like burping it like this to get like air out and whatnot, and I turned it on once already. So let's see now. And the thing is, I'm seeing smoke at the bottom, but I'm pretty sure it's oil from possibly the oil change that might still be like on the exhaust, and it's starting to like fume up a little bit. Let's turn her on.